Hello everyone, welcome to Awesome Life. Hope you're all doing good and being safe. Today we are going to talk about how to grow moringa plant right from seed. I am going to talk about the benefits in middle of the video, so stay tuned. So moringa plants, these are the seeds of moringa plant. What I do is I soak in water just for one day, and my liquid always has lab in it. Lab is lactic acid bacteria. You can check the videos, it is like the most watched video. I put like tiny drops of lab into my water and soak the seeds in just for one day. That's all, not more than that, because moringa does not, the seeds does not like too much of moisture. And then we put it into the soil, into the the containers. It will sprout in a week or so. When you soak it for a day, right, in lab, it will sprout within a day. So the thing with moringa plant is it requires for it to germinate, right? It requires a lot of heat, in the sense like at least minimum of 70 degrees. So we have a room with like good sunlight and with the indoor heat going on in the winters. It is perfect. Almost all my seeds got germinated. I literally can start a moringa farm now. But I'll talk more about that. So all the seeds have germinated, and one more tip is this moringa plant is not actually truly a plant; it is a tree. It grows tall and it grows wide. In the sense, like it first grows pretty tall. So one tip of what I always try to follow is uh, trim off the tops when the plant is like 6 inches or so, or like more than that. Just pinch off the tops. That way the plant grows more bushy. If you guys want to get more leaves out of this plant, right, try to pinch off the tops so that the side shoots will come in, and it grows like more like a bushy plant instead of going straight and tall. And but bringing it indoors and taking it outdoors, like it's a bushy plant, would be much easier to bring in and to maintain it in the winters. So I always try to trim off the tops so that like I get more of the side shoots and I get more harvest of leaves by that. If you guys are planning to grow the drumsticks itself, which is the vegetable from the moringa plant, you can let you can let one or two plants to grow straight and tall. So I do sell moringa plants. I just want my neighborhood to be started and start consuming this super healthy food. So I do sell the plants. So that's why you see almost at least 20 or 30 plants over here. So moringa plant has lots and lots of nutrition, vitamin E, vitamin C, calcium, iron, tons and tons. It is packed with nutrition. So we use it as salad. You can just eat it as is. It has like a little bit of nutty flavor to it. It's amazing though. Or you can use it in soups. Like we use it in meats also. So wherever you want to use, it's super healthy food and kind of like easy to grow. Just follow these tips. Soak it in the water for at least like one day with the lab, and then put it into the soil. And then it requires a lot of heat, so minimum 70 degrees. And then a tip of trim off the top so that it grows more bushy. That's all. That's how you can grow moringa at your home instead of spending $5 or LB from the stores. $5 is like a minimum thing. More than $5. So that's all about this video. If any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you want, do subscribe so that you don't miss on the following videos. You all have an awesome life, happy and healthy gardening. Bye now. Take care.